Hi class, today I'm going to show you how to get to the 5th grade ecosystem web quest that we are going to be doing today. What you're going to do is you're going to read this welcome right here, and then which is just saying a little description of what we're going to be doing, and then you're going to go to this introduction page, and it is going to tell you about what we're doing. Here we go. So what you are doing is you are thinking about the different kinds of plants and animals where you live, as you can see on the screen, and then you're going to think about what are some non-living and living things that you found. So what you're going to do is the task is what you're going to do. So the task for this web quest is exploring an ecosystem. You're going to complete many tasks, like it says. So here are the 5 different things that you're going to do. So you're going to do 5 interesting facts, label the plants and animals, and then an imaginary story. So then when you're done with the task, you're going to go up to the procedure, or I'm sorry, that's just telling you the task. Then you're going to go to the procedure, and of course, my internet is a little bit slow, but we all know how technology is. So, these things right here in this section is going to be for land, and then water, ecosystems. So we know the land ecosystems are our terrariums, and the water ecosystems are our aquariums. And pretty much you're going to need to know, we're going to be building terrariums and aquariums with plants and living resources, or living organisms like crickets and fish, and the pill bugs. So I'm going to have you do some research on the terrariums and the terrestrial and aquatic things that you're going to be doing right here, okay? And excuse me, when you're done with that, you are going to just keep going through these things. So what you're going to basically be doing is the introduction, task, procedure, resources, and then you're going to be going through and doing the rest of it. So here you're going to choose, or you will get assigned, your aquatic or land ecosystems. Okay, so you're going to be looking at, you're all going to be doing different ones, or I'll have you in pairs of 2, and you're going to be working with your partner to figure out. So you're going to click on these things, and you're going to figure out what lives there and what doesn't live there, and how they survive and thrive together, and how they work together. And then when you're done, here's your rubric that you'll be graded on, okay? So it's 100 points. It's kind of a big deal. And you're going to want to make sure that you're doing these exceeding standards, okay? Because you don't want to just meet the standards in life. We are going to do everything as if we are working for the Lord. So you're going to want to be making sure that you're exceeding the standards, because we don't want to do things just okay. We want to do things better, because we can. We want it not necessarily better, that's not the good word, but to the best of our ability, whatever that is. And then at the end, you're going to have an ecosystem that is made up of different parts, populations, communities, habitats, and other things like air, sunlight, and soil. And as you're going to know, we are building terrariums and aquariums in our eco columns. So this is to give you a little overview of what we're going to be doing. So once you finish this web quest, then you'll be ready to get started with the next step in the procedure. So I hope that you are able to get to this web quest, which I'll help you on your Chromebooks, and work with your partners and learn about the ecosystems, so that when we do the project, probably next week, you will have an overview and understanding. Also, you'll want to know this for 5th grade camp, because they're going to ask you questions about it. So have fun, do this, do your best, and we'll see how it goes.